Hi, I'm Chirag Goel. I'm from Delhi, India. I've been in this country now for almost 3 years or so. I came here for studies. I did my post-graduation diploma. I did my MBA now, and at the same time, I'm carrying on with my dancing and I'm teaching as well. My dancing, I think it started quite early, like around when I was 5 or something around that time. Then I carried on. I was with Shamak Davar's Institute for the Performing Arts, like with Mr. Shamak Davar for almost 5 years. Then I came here in this country and I'm with Honey's Dance Academy, UK's #1 academy for last 2 years now. Mainly with Shamak, I learned more of jazz and hip hop. Then I did Bollywood training for with Shamak for last 2 years. Whatever I am today is because of him. I was very scared of talking to people. I can't talk to anyone earlier, but now I can talk to anyone. I can stand in front of 100 people and teach, and I've learned a lot from him. Then I came here in this country because there was a different cultures and there was the styles were different as compared to India and London. So I have to go under a training with Honey Sons Academy for a while. Then then I got proper Bollywood style in me. In India, that was I think my beginning as a professional. But when I come to London, that was the main core part which I learned from Honey. But Honey, I learned a lot from Honey because I have never done classicals in my life. Okay, so she gave me classical lessons, so I know a little bit of classical now as well. It was quite strange, because everybody was thinking I'm from India, I should know classical dance already. But that's what I'm saying. That it's not that because in India, many people are everybody don't do classical dance. Thanks to God, I've got two gurus, one in India, one in London. So it's I've learned a lot from both these people. I find it a little hard in the beginning when I was teaching in London, but she helped me a lot and she explained me how to teach little ones. With the older lot, I was quite okay. With the little ones, I find it a little difficult, but she helped me. You're still allowed to, for example, you're still allowed to touch the kid. But Honey, she said, don't you shouldn't be you should be touching the kids and all. You shouldn't be hugging them. You should have a distance with them because this is the health and safety rules in London. So see these small things which I wasn't aware of. Because I've done my MBA now, so they said you got the degree, you got the management skills. So instead of just dancing as a teacher, and just teaching, just come in the office and work as well. End of the day, we teachers are in front of the students and we having the face-to-face contact with them, so we know all the advantages and disadvantages, what's happening and what we can do better to grow and how we can help them more. It's end of the day, Honey always used to say, we are helping someone to change their cultures, we are inspiring more people. And you know what, I've got so many compliments as a teacher here, and the best was one of my kid in Harrow. He said to his mom in front of me, "I don't like my dad. I like Chirag." So you know what? That's the best one I ever heard. End of the day, we are trying to give a platform to kids so that they can dance on the stage and they because they love performance. So let's give them something what they like. If you're dancing on Bollywood track, it's just come direct from your heart. It's just come direct from your heart and you enjoy it, and you can see the thing on your face, you're enjoying it, you're having fun. So art of Bollywood, and you're learning all styles of dance in it. So that's the main part. I love this art. That's it. That's what I'm here for. I'm just so passionate about my dancing. And I love teaching. So I'm here. I'm 110% sure I can see my future in this country in dancing.